follow me. It's not peeing. It's not me. It's the elevator, of course. Not follow me again. Okay, and then here's where you can watch the phone. Like this. And
Oh, what's in the fridge?
oh, that is too messy for you. This is my seashell collector. It's pretty big seashells. I know, right? Oh, that's so dirty in there. I don't like that.
Oh, why can't you open it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is dirty. We should probably close that.
Yeah, that's okay. Now over here, you have that little place thing down there. You know, the regular daily basis.
Ah!
Oh, don't look in there. You aren't supposed to look in there.
Ah!
My coffee maker, you know, you gotta have one of those. Those are my no carbs for bacon.
Ooh! Yeah, we already saw that.
And then in here, follow me. Don't open it, please. This is something you come on, follow me. This is my laundry room. Don't mind that. That's a picture. That's a wallpaper. This is my laundry. I shoot it down there and it goes right to my laundry. Same with this, definitely. Now follow me. It's my freezer. Come on, follow me.
No, what's in the fridge?
Yeah. Now you gotta follow me. Let's go
Your
upstairs.
house is a bit weird.
It's okay. Sometimes that's how weird features in your house. You know. I'll get to the really weird features later. And this is where we're looking at the front door. This is my cousin. My aunt. That's her son, Jared. This is his PS. I feel like.
Oh, Jared has a cool background.
Yeah, no, this is paper that I made.
Oh, wait, what? Where did it go?
This is wallpaper. This is the floor. Am I right? Now, this is my cousin, but don't do it. You know? Now, follow me.
Okay.
Who's closer? Got me.
Wait, hold on.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Wow, this is a cool guy. Don't you dare walk me.
Come on.
Come on, Mom.
I said just, you know, nice closet. I'll show you all the good things. Let's go in here first. This is my bathroom. Yeah, it's my bathroom. Now I'll show you my daily features.
Okay.
Let's go downstairs again.
Alright.
No, we saw it. Fine. Okay. What are we doing?
Oh, yeah, this is normal.
Yeah, if you're gonna video it, honey, you gotta hold the camera up.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Turn around.
Alright.
You can see this wallpaper with the farmer
Ooh.
and the vegetables, the faces on the
Guys,
vegetables.
there's a clue.
Back in the house.
Guys, there's a clue downstairs. Okay. Now this is. Oh, sorry.
The busy closet.
I know.
Is anybody else in there? No. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
No.
we're going into space, I'm guessing?
No, it's just a busy closet. That's what I call it. A dark closet. And boo! This is part of my music room. I have another music room. This is my Bessie's room.
Okay.
No. And in case of emergencies, we can look at that stuff later. Let's go over here. Follow me. No, follow me. This way. Yeah.
Okay, the bathroom. Where's the water?
Yeah. But don't open the toilet.
Oh.
This is my amazing, this is my favorite one. It's my aquarium. It's so pretty, isn't it?
Also, that's where your bathtub is.
Oh yeah, thanks. I've been looking
I'm
for
just
that.
gonna drop my phone.
This is my witch bathroom. Woo! Wondering all my cool potions. I have skinny ants, slime, magic potions, everything you can drink on that stuff. Magical and witchcraft. This is a golf shop. Okay.
Yeah, no, I haven't seen any boy like that.
Nope, we're going this way.
No, I want to look.
My amazing fingers are too good for you. It's not looking at our elevator. This is the alleyways. I'll show you the alleyways later. There's actually a lot of people who live here sometimes. I don't really know who comes in and out. No, I don't come in. This is a family place. Not
Hey, whoever's gonna watch this video is gonna be dizzy as hell because you're literally like all over the whole
No, I'm not.
You gotta hold it, girl.
now.
I am.
That's called a cloud room.
Wow. Oh, shoot.
Come back out here. It's gonna be quite loud.
Well, it's actually not that loud. Whoa, this looks like a neon kingdom.
It's actually exactly what it's called.
Oh.
This is the little doorbell. He's funny. Now follow me. Picture anyone? Picture? Okay. Look at picture anyone? This is a dog room, as you can tell. It's my chameleon I drew. I have made all this. Follow me.
Everybody's getting hungry.
This is probably.
That's a bit disturbing.
Follow me! Oh, the wrong way, silly me.
Can we go to the alleyway already?
Yeah, fine, I guess. I mean, the alleyway's fun, but definitely not as fun as that one. I love the dance center. Follow me, this is a cool place.
Wait, we're already in here.
Maybe, maybe not. Oh yeah, sorry. We were
Whoa.
already there.
No, you didn't come in here, did we? No, I didn't. Come on.
We went in there.
You didn't?
You want to go in the alleyway? Fine. Got you.
Going back in the house.
I know, but the alleyway's not here.
Sorry. Okay, come on. We already saw this part. Come on.
Okay, let me flip that.
Okay.
Make it look. We're going to the alley.
Yeah, the house.
Let me show you my fridge.
Yeah, finally. Okay. This is not. Where's the food? Finally, food.
Oh, yeah, food.
Ew.
Oh, so gross. Ouch.
Sorry. Whoa.
This is the
So I just found out that
whatever, it's fine. That's my phone.
Alright,
We're all.
I want the alleyway.
I know, but the alleyways lead to this. Told you, Poppy Way Alley. Oh, I guess you can go through there. This might lead to the alleyway. But I will tell you, I'm not gonna forget something now. Oh, wrong way. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Ooh, a watermelon room.
One more minute.
Back at the Neon Kingdom ATM, but just what I needed.
In Vegas, you go to New York, it looks a little bit like this. Like, they make it look a little bit.
Ooh, and that cave. Oh. Open this thing.
I'm not very good. Yeah, he does talk to you, sorry. He sometimes tells Rosie. This is odd that they can tell us in the picture. Now, if you may, turn on the phone. So I can show you something. Turn on the phone.
No, you cannot.
Okay, follow me.
We have to get going.
All right, let's see and bye.